Okay, today I'm going to try something new. I'm going to do an unboxing, and I am new to this, so bear with me. Got this today, and first thing looks like a new set of lip gloss I wanted to try, and so I will do a video probably on that if I have the time. Got some new shampoo and conditioner. I guess supposedly they plant a tree every bottle of product they sell. So we'll try that out. Let you know how it works. I have a pack of 50 stickers. I picked these up because I figured it'd be something fun to put in my journals or in my book of shadows. They are Nightmare Before Christmas themed. I got some new different nose rings to try because I have no idea. I don't really buy this stuff, but I figured it was time to buy some new ones. I got some new lotion to try. It's by the brand The Body Shop. I have no idea. Never tried them. I'll let you know how it works out. I have a new single eyeshadow in the color Super Shock. Looks really pretty. Brand is ColourPop. Also never tried. So I'll let you know how it works out. And we have a facial serum. I don't really ever take care of my skin. I've just recently started to, so I picked some of this up to see how it works. And then the last thing is by Arbor Moon, I believe. Wanted to pick up some new candles. So this was the one I went with. Comes with a little card that I think just explains. You can pause and read that if you'd like. Just tells you more in depth about the candle and the company. They have social media if you want to look them up. Seems pretty cool. Nice and protected. I like that. I apologize for the noise. If you had headphones in. This is really heavy, I can tell you. It's got some weight to it. I don't believe there is no, they don't have, it's not like Bath and Body Works, and it is a wood wick, so it will crackle. It's in the scent Daydream. Oh, it's called Daydream, and it's Golden Ode and Jasper, I believe. Smells really good. And that is the end of the unboxing. So until next time, have a good day and try to just live in the moment and enjoy the little things, because that's what's most important. Alright, goodbye guys.